Hello everyone, how to use the Expressive Chords device as the advanced Expressive Chords device to play chords via your keyboard or via a push or via a MIDI controller and trigger chords, and you are able to actually select different settings on the device here. So this is, and I just move this knob here to select a different preset. You have all the presets which are coming with the original Expressive Chords device, and the advanced Expressive Chords device is the hack I made here, where I put in more setups here. And as Ableton 12.3 came out, the Expressive Chords device got updated, so you're now able to put in your own things, your own chords, and copy things over. And I updated the advanced Expressive Chords device here as well, so that you are able to store your own custom chord sets here as well. So how do you learn a chord into the Expressive Chord device? So you hit learn. Before, you need to select the note you want to put something in. So if we, for example, play a note here, let's say we play this one, the E flat, or maybe let's take the D. So we play the D and it's automatically selecting this. So now I hit learn, and now I need to hold the chords I want to put in. There always needs to be one note at least ringing, and it will remember this. So if we put in a note here, something like this, it will now take all those notes because I'm holding one note here. If I deactivate the learn, now you can now trigger your D, and it's playing those notes accordingly. Obviously, you are able to transpose those if you want to. So this way you are able to put in your own chords, quite flexible and quite easy. And then you are able to automate the selection. If you want to go somewhere else, just MIDI map a dial of your MIDI controller or automate it via a MIDI clip, and you can see now we are cycling through the different presets down below here. And if we go back to the user one, which is at the very end here, if I select this quickly here, now your chords are stored in this, you could say, a main advanced Expressive Chords device with a lot of presets already built in. You can get this device, it's a Max for Life device. You can get this, follow the link in the video description below. Take care, bye bye.